What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to repair electric shock from your refrigerator. First of all, I'm gonna show you how does it happen and then how do I repair it. So keep watching the video till it ends. You can see my refrigerator. And when I touch it, it's giving me electric shock. Now let's test it with tester. Here we can see a red light is indicating. That means there is electricity in this refrigerator and also in the plug. Look at there. So all the way from the plug to the refrigerator there is electricity. When you touch it, it gives you pins and needles. Now let's see how to repair it. The materials I have used: galvanizing wire, hammer, pliers and a nail. Now simply cut some galvanizing wire. And now with the nail, just twist it up. Now attach the galvanizing wire's one end with the metallic part of the refrigerator in the back side of it. Just simply attach it, twist it up. Remember one thing, your galvanizing wire has to touch the metallic part of the refrigerator. Now the other end of the galvanizing wire, which is twisted with nail, I'm just gonna hammering it down to the earth so it gets its earthing line. So the earthing thing happens from the refrigerator, it will go to the down to the earth. Now that's the plug. I plug in and switch it on. Now you see there is no light indicating the red one, which one was shown before. All the way I'm going down. Let's test the refrigerator. Now there is nothing. This is a very simple trick. You can solve the problem. You can solve this problem by yourself. Now I'm touching by my hand. There is no pins and needles, no electric shock. So thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.